Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram password if you've forgotten your old password. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram app. Go to your profile page on bottom right corner. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now go to Settings and Privacy. Then click on Account Center option. Tap on Password and Security option and go to Change Password. As you have forgotten your current password, click on Forgotten Your Password link. Then a link will be sent to the number or email associated with your account. Now go to your message box and click on the link to reset your password. Type in your new password in the given boxes. After you filled the boxes, tap on Reset Password button. And that is how you can change Instagram password if you've forgotten your old password. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.